Hi guys, this is Rob70. We're doing another unboxing of a package that arrived from Anker. This is the Anker Eufy Robovac 25C. This is going to be part of our smart home. We'll do another video on the smart home setup when I get everything set up. It's playing with. It comes with the instruction manual, of course. Comes with the remote, which we won't be using because we're gonna program it to go all over the house. And here is the star of the show, the Robovac. And it comes with its docking system, which goes on the wall.